Looking in the mirror in the morning makes me confident because it gives me feedback on my appearance. The same is true about cleaning. Feedback is essential. It is important to assess whether the cleaning activities resulted in the desired cleanliness. Feedback is needed on both results and performed activities. People often fear the negative emotions accompanying feedback, which is why feedback is not given at all. Cleaners should receive feedback on their successes as well as areas for improvement to support them in achieving the agreed cleanliness. Cleanliness can be assessed visually according to a standard, such as Insta 800 in Scandinavia or NEN 2075 in the Netherlands. Visually with a UV lamp. By measuring microorganisms, organic dirt, or dust on the surfaces. Assessments should be carried out together with the cleaner. You can work together to identify the reasons why it is not clean and prepare an action plan to achieve the desired result. For example, an experiment of the PandemicClean project revealed that school desks can be swiftly wiped with an interior mop, but often this did not achieve the expected cleanliness. The result was much better when the desks were wiped with a properly dampened microfiber cloth, but this activity was more time-consuming. Having such information, it would be advisable to analyze together with the cleaner how the time for cleaning tables could be used efficiently. One possible solution might be to properly clean the desks of half the classrooms every day, instead of wiping all the desks every day without the expected result. It is a good idea to formulate the goals based on desired results. For example, it is better to say, remove dirt from the door handle by wiping it with a damp microfiber cloth, rather than saying, wipe the door handle with a damp microfiber cloth. It is important to assess the cleaning result and process. This should be done regularly, not just when problems occur. People need feedback on how they can improve and what they are already doing right. Feedback is needed on both the result and the process.